Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I'm participating of a napkin exchange challenge. So what we did is we exchanged napkins, and Holly from Lamb's Living sent me these napkins. Okay, can't wait to see. Oh my God, here's a, oh, this is a postcard. Beautiful. Let's see what it says. Hello, Aurea. I'm excited to start crafting for spring. Looking forward to watching your video to see what beautiful ideas you have with these napkins. Well, Holly, thank you so much for this beautiful postcard. I'm going to keep this forever. And these beautiful napkins, look at these. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. The bunny. Oh my God, I have a great idea for this one. Yes, I do. I think I'm going to use this one too. This is so beautiful. Holly, thank you so much. And this one is absolutely awesome. Look at those beautiful flowers. And this one is with little bees. Oh, I think I'm gonna use that one too. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Thank you, Holly. These napkins are absolutely divine. Thumbs up. Love them all. Okay, so let's go ahead and get crafting with our first DIY. I have this picture frame that I purchased, I don't know how long ago. I think like 3 years ago. I found it in my stash. I didn't know what to do, but I'm going to take it all apart and I'm going to take all that sequin out of there. I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up really nice. Okay, using this blade, I'm just going to go ahead and remove all these words out of here. So now that the frame is completely cleaned, I'm gonna go ahead and take the napkin. This napkin is so beautiful and it just says spring all over. I'm gonna go ahead and with some Scotch tape, I'm going to tape it to the bottom of this frame, or I should say the back of the frame. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble it back all together, putting the glass first and then the napkin with the back part back in place. I have this window cling that says Easter Blessings, and I will be putting it right up here. This looks so beautiful. I also have more window clings. They are eggs, and I will be putting 2 more window clings. I think this looks so beautiful. So using a piece of baker's twine and 4 of these yellow wooden beads, this is how I'm going to hang the picture frame on the wall. And this is it for our first DIY. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this beautiful DIY. Let me tell you about this napkin exchange challenge. It is being hosted by Sarah, Sunflowers and DIYing, and she has a co-host this month, and her name is Mimi, Handy Crafting with Mimi. Make sure to visit all of these talented creators. I'm going to be leaving the playlist down in my description box. Make sure to subscribe, and remember that it means the world to us. Why? Because when you subscribe, we all grow together. And don't forget that the subscription is completely free. And now let's go ahead and continue with our second DIY. I'm going to be recycling this picture frame. I did a DIY last year, but now I'm going to go ahead and repurpose it. I'm going to leave this rope right there, and I'm going to go ahead and take this apart. I'm going to go ahead and take our second napkin, and this is the one that I'm going to be using once Diva gets out of the way. Okay, so I'm going to use almost the same process as the other one. I'm going to go ahead and measure it and then take some Scotch tape and tape it to the back. With this ribbon from Dollar Tree, I'm going to go ahead and cut 2 pieces and put one in the bottom and one on top with some Scotch tape. So now that is completely done, I'm gonna go ahead and put the frame back together. And now I have some more window clings. I have this beautiful bunny rabbit. I bought this last year at Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this bunny rabbit right here. This looks so absolutely beautiful. And this is it for our second DIY. I hope you like it, and if you do, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. Go ahead and continue with our next DIY. This cutting board, I bought it at Aldi's. It was 4 in 1 package and I paid $2.50 because they have 50% off. And this is the napkin that I'll be using. As you can see, I'm taking it apart because it's doubled, and if we use it this way, then the napkin will bubble up. Wherever I'm going to be placing the napkin, I'm going to be making sure that I use plenty of Mod Podge, and then I'll just go ahead and put the napkin on top of it, making sure that it is completely sealed in with the Mod Podge. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess napkin out. I'll wait 2 hours and then I'll come back and sand the excess tissue out. I also have this baker's twine from Dollar Tree. It is white and yellow. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a long piece, fold it in 4, and with some hot glue, I'll be gluing it right on the handle of this cutting board. If you are coming from one of the other channels, I am so grateful to have you here. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would hope that you consider subscribing. Remember, when you subscribe, we grow together, and don't forget that the subscription is completely free. Coming back to the cutting board, I have this sunflower that I'll be gluing with some hot glue right on top of the baker's twine. And this is it for this beautiful DIY. I hope you enjoy it. For our next DIY and final DIY, I have this home word from Dollar Tree. I'm putting a lot of Mod Podge on it, and once the Mod Podge is completely spread out, I'm gonna come in with the beautiful napkin that Holly sent me, and I'm gonna make sure that it is completely sealed in, and I'm not gonna let it dry. I'm gonna go ahead, of course, I'm leaving the heart exposed as you see here, and as you can tell, I'm cutting the excess tissue out. Now, once that is done, I'm coming in with my lighter and I will be burning the excess tissue out. And don't worry, my son was standing by with the fire extinguisher. If you're gonna do this, make sure that you do it in a safe spot. I'm not sure who came up with this technique, but I have seen it in several crafters channels, so I thought that I would implement it in this video. I'm gonna go ahead and sand the excess tissue paper, and once that is done, I came back with some white chalk paint and I distressed the edges, just like you see right here. I also have 2 painter sticks or pieces of painter stick from my stash, and I'm giving it 1 coat with this khaki color, and then I'm going to cut it to size and I'm going to put it on each corner of this beautiful plaque that I found at Dollar Tree. I'm also going to do the same with the home plaque or the home word. With plenty of hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and glue it right in the middle. Look at how gorgeous this looks. I left the heart exposed because I wanted to come in with this blush color and give it 1 coat. Once it's dry, I came in with this beautiful flower and I put it right here. And now with the baker's twine and this wood round, I'm gonna go ahead and glue it back here with some hot glue. And this is it, my dear friends. I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful DIY.